Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a serious topic with a catchy phrase: the digital divide, a term from which you cannot hide. Imagine a world split in two. On one side we have Sarah, living it up in the city. He's got lightning-fast internet, online classes at her fingertips, job hunting on LinkedIn, video calls with friends, the whole digital shebang. But on the other side, we have Maria, living in a rural area where the internet crawls slower than a snail on vacation. Forget online classes. Even checking emails can feel like an Olympic sport. It's like she's stuck in the digital dark ages, while the rest of the world zooms by. This gap, my friends, is the digital divide. It impacts everything: education, job opportunities, access to information, even healthcare. It's like a giant game of snakes and ladders, but some people are stuck with a broken ladder, watching everyone else climb ahead. Think about it. Sarah can effortlessly connect with friends and family online, build her network, and explore endless opportunities. Meanwhile, Maria feels isolated and left out, missing out on chances to learn, grow, and connect with the world. But don't worry, this story isn't over. We can bridge this gap. We need a superhero team-up of better infrastructure, affordable internet access, digital literacy programs, and a whole lot of awareness. Imagine community centers transformed into digital havens, offering classes and free access. Picture government programs making internet affordable for everyone, so even your grandma can become a TikTok star. Let's build a world where both Sarah and Maria have the same opportunities, the same access, the same chance to thrive. A world where the digital divide is just a faded memory, a story we tell the younger generation to remind them how far we've come. So share this video, support organizations working on this issue, and let's bridge this gap together. Stay safe, stay secure, and remember that everyone deserves a chance to be part of the digital world, no matter where they live or who they are. Let's write a new chapter, a story of connection and opportunity for all. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for watching and listening. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.